Hi there. Today, we're tackling something everyone deals with: dirty, yellowing, or grimy transparent mobile covers. These covers start off looking sleek and fresh, but over time, they can collect stains, dust, and even oils from your hands. Don't worry, cleaning them is easier than you might think, and you don't need any fancy tools. I'll walk you through every single step to bring your transparent case back to life. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Before you get started, take a close look at your mobile cover. If it's lightly dirty, you may only need soap and water. But if it's yellowed or stained, you'll need something stronger like baking soda or vinegar. Start with a soap and water wash. For light dirt and grime, fill a bowl with warm water, not too hot. Add a few drops of mild dish soap. Stir to create some suds. Submerge your mobile cover in the soapy water. Use your fingers to gently rub off surface dirt. Now grab an old toothbrush. Dip it in the soapy water and gently scrub all over the case, especially the edges and corners where dirt builds up. Rinse the cover under clean running water and pat it dry with a microfiber cloth. Deep clean stains with baking soda. If your case still has stains or yellowing, baking soda is your best friend. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the stained areas. Add a few drops of water to form a paste. Use your toothbrush to scrub the paste into the stains. Be patient, it might take a minute or two of scrubbing to see results. Why baking soda? It's a natural abrasive that lifts stains without damaging the plastic. Use white vinegar for extra tough stains. Still not clean enough? Try white vinegar. Here's how. Mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water in a bowl. Submerge the case for 15 to 20 minutes. Take it out and scrub with the toothbrush. Vinegar is acidic and breaks down mineral deposits and stains. Don't worry about the smell, it fades quickly after rinsing. After cleaning, rinse the case under running water to remove any leftover soap, baking soda, or vinegar. Dry it with a microfiber cloth. Leave it to air dry completely before putting it back on your phone. This step is crucial because leftover moisture can damage your phone or cause the case to stick weirdly. Final tips. If your case has tiny crevices, use a cotton swab dipped in the vinegar solution to clean them. For extra shine, buff the cover with a dry microfiber cloth. By the way, did you know that regular cleaning can extend the life of your mobile cover? It's true. Experts from Good Housekeeping recommend cleaning your case at least once a month to prevent permanent stains. And there you have it, a crystal clear mobile cover that looks as good as new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below. Let me know how your cleaning journey went or if you have any other tips to share. See you in the next video.